All right, it's a Sunday. You guys killed it all week. I know I did. And today we're gonna do a push-up burpee ladder. We're doing 100 push-ups. And this workout's more about mindset. Mindset. So it's not really about building your chest, but it's about showing and building that heart. I brought my boy Justin, and we're gonna kill this workout. And it's more about just raising that rate of vibration, getting you to feel great about your day. All right, so he's gonna do the normal routine and I'm gonna do more of an advanced routine. It's 100 push-ups. So how we're gonna do it is literally going down, doing 1 push-up, and you're gonna burpee. And I'm gonna jump, he's not gonna do the jump. And then after the 1, it's a ladder. So you're gonna go 1 and then burpee up, and then 2, 3, 4, all the way to 10. Once we get to 10, then man, we go all the way back down, all the way to 1. And you think you can do it, big dog?
I hope so.
Man, let's get it, bro. Let's get it. It's gonna be tough, but don't tap out. That's the biggest thing. This is about mindset. So when life comes, you're ready.
You know I be on the way. Yeah. You know I be on the way. Man on a mission, I'ma get it. You know I be on the way. Yeah, it's all hard, ain't no fear here. You ain't giving this at all, you steer clear. Never beat, I've been down and I reappear. You got some money on the line, you better put it here. Rolling in and doing that work. Check priorities, I'm doing that first. Checks big and I'm sure that hurts, but it's checkmate, we ain't selling short, know the work. Ain't nowhere to hide, you ain't gotta see me come and keep me on your mind, cause I be on the way. Yeah. You know I be on the way. I'ma get it, you know I be on the way. Yeah, man, we coming for them things that they said I couldn't have, get the team. I got a vision for the things you ain't believe. And here's the motto, hard work, this over everything. It's that comeback. I'm calling plays, hit the pass, then the run back. Yeah, I'm far ahead and gotta run laps. But we ain't letting up, we never done that. Ain't nowhere to hide, you ain't gotta see me come and keep me on your mind, cause I be on the way. Yeah. You know I be on the way. Man on a mission, I'ma get it, you know I be on the way. Yeah, I'm on the way. On the way. Yeah, on the way. I'm on the way. I'm on the way. We gon' stay right where we at. We ain't never fall back. Yeah. We ain't never fall back. And you can find me where I'm at. We ain't never fall back. We ain't never fall back. And you can find me where I'm at. We ain't never fall back. Come up with a game plan. Double XL up in the paint, you can't shake that. All the way gassed up, full tank, man. Moving too quick, keep the cameras in the playback. Dang, so tell me how you feel with it. You put a lid on it, I ain't got no chill with it. This right here your problem, you gon' have to deal with it. Lay it on the line, high risk, that's the meal ticket. Yeah, we ain't never fall back. Hold on ground where we at, never fall back. No lies, no facts, we gon' stay right where we at. We ain't never fall back. Yeah, we ain't never fall back. And you can find me where I'm at. We ain't never fall back.
It ain't no joke. There's no joke. Is that 100? There you go. Man, so that's it. I got chest tomorrow with the weights. Man, I'm already feeling it. I'm gonna be sore tomorrow. But go ahead and try that. And after next week, try to beat where you're at. If you have like a sticking point or whatever, just try to beat whatever you were at when you first tried it. That's the point. You got anything, bro?
Yeah, as you can see, it's not so much about the workout, it's about the way that we feel. Before this workout, I was in a certain mindset, and now breathing heavy, heart rate up, by this beautiful pool in nature, breathing in that fresh air, I feel completely different for the next couple hours of my day.
Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and let's get it.